Hello friends, myself Ritesh Sonone and I'm going to explain theory of computation. Now first this subject acts as a base for a variety of areas of computer engineering as compiler construction, language processing, operating system design and so many others. Even today it can be used in the field of computer vision where the new idea of syntactic pattern recognition is coming up. Theory of computation is based on mathematical computations. These computations are used to represent various mathematical models. In this subject, we will study many interesting models such as finite automata, push-down automata, Turing machines. This subject is fundamental subject that is very close to the subjects like compilers, operating system software, and pattern recognition system. The automata theory is the base of this subject. The automata theory is theory of models. Working of every processes can be represented by means of model. The model can be a theoretical or mathematical model. The model helps in representing the concept of every activity. The logic or behavior of such a models can be well understood with the help of proofs. Now, the first is the finite state machine. Let us start with the simplest ever basic machine, which gives us an idea of how machine will play an important role in a computer engineering also. It is the machine which recognizes an input set I and produces an output set O, where I and O are finite. As we know, every machine ideally should take some input and produce some output. In this type of the abstract machine, we are not interested what is happening inside, that is, how output is produced by the machine, but what output it is producing. Therefore, this type of the machine can be viewed as a function which maps the input set I to the output set O. This function is called as machine function, that is MAF. It produces O. For example, all logical gates like AND, OR, etc. The example shows the logical gate AND gate. The input is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. And the output, when machine receives an input symbol 0 0, it will produce the output 0. When machine receives an input symbol 0 1, it will produce the output 0. When machine receives an input symbol 1 0, it will produce the output 0. When machine receives an input symbol 1 1, it will produce the output 1. Important features of basic machine. Number 1, it only interprets a set of the input data and produces output set, which involves maybe a combination of inputs, hence also called as the combinational machine. For example, AND gate that we have seen. Number 2, it performs only a table lookup procedure from finite size table, that is machine function MAF table. Number 3, it has neither memory nor internal state. It may happen that basic machine requires a large size table for a particular task, which may slow down the machine. Also that much space might not be available each time. Suppose you want the basic machine to check whether the given word is from the given language, which is infinite, and produce the output as yes or no. Practically, it is impossible to create such a table which can store an infinite word set. Therefore, we have to improve the working by considering the machine with intermediate stages, which on receival of input chooses a particular path from initial state to reach to final state to produce valid output. Such a machine is having finite number of internal states called as finite state machine. In finite state machine, the internal state of the machine alters when the machine receives an input and generates the required output. It consists of a pair of functions, namely machine function. Machine function MAF is I into S, it produces O. And state function STF is I into S, it produces states. Whereas finite set or internal state of the machine, I, finite set of input symbols, O, finite set of output symbols. If you know what the current state of the machine is and what is the current input symbol, then MAF gives you the output and STF gives you what will be the next state of the machine. Important features of finite state machine. Number 1, the behavior of such a machine can be completely determined provided its initial state and the input are known. Number 2, in this machine a finite set of final states is also specified, denoted by F. There may exist more than one final state, but for a given input there will always be only one final state. If we change the input, we may get some other state as a final state. Number 3, tables for MAF and STF are called as state tables. Thank you. Thank you.